Good day. I am Mark Nicole A. Conanan, applying for the job of avionics technician. I was born on June 25, 1994, in my beloved country, Philippines. My mother is Cynthia Conanan. She is a housewife and I'm proud of it. My father, Candido Conanan, currently works at Abu Dhabi as an aircraft mechanic. They used to raise me up as a responsible person that they can be proud of. I am the youngest in our family and I have three siblings, two sisters and a brother. I am a fresh graduate of PATS College of Aeronautics, holding a degree of Bachelor of Science in Avionics Technology, major in Computer Communication. I choose PATS because I believe that PATS offers the best aviation courses that will make me competitive to work all around the globe. Having this course finished, I believe that I acquired skills and knowledge that I need with regards to aviation. I assure you that I am industrious, obedient, and helpful to my colleagues, punctual to my attendance, and responsible to all the given tasks. I am also strong and physically fit. I used to play basketball and read some books. I am the kind of person you might want to work with because I believe that I have the skills, the personality, and the knowledge an aircraft avionics technician should have. I love working to your company because I know that your company has the best to offer. Hope that you can give me a chance and as well as the privilege to be part of your prestigious company, wherein I can start to reach my dream and be well off. Thank you for your cooperation and good day.